Urugamiriri wa University ya Masinde Muliro ni uhingite university ino na kuria arutwo mainuke gugikinyiria muthenya wa aramithi iri njira ya kunyihia ugwati wa gutheremia murimu wa COVID-19. Arugamiriri a cukuru ino maugite makinyiire itua riri kurumirira muhatikano wa muigana wa arutwo.
We have communicated a memo to all students and lecturers and other stakeholders directing that the academic activities have been suspended.
Aruti a wira cukuru-ini ino nao moritio moe rutha rwa kimwaka.
We have requested all staff to take annual leave.
Mwena-ini wao arutwo aya moritie ikinya riri ritacukirio university iria ingi ria kuria arutwo mainuke.
We request university institutions to accept our plea that all the universities should be closed indefinitely, not less than in the next 2 days.
Kunyihanyihia muhatikano wa andu ni njira imwe ya kuhurana na utheremu wa virus ino. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.